Severe hip dysplasia, patella luxation. Is surgery the only solution for osteopathies? Not necessarily. At Animal Doctors International, our veterinarians have helped countless pets manage chronic pain and regain mobility without surgery. The key lies in harmonizing modern science with the body's natural healing abilities. Acupuncture and herbal medicine, laser therapy, physiotherapy. ADI carefully monitors each pet's condition and designs personalized treatment plans, ensuring a natural, effective, and swift recovery. Experience the power of holistic therapy today.